Hello friends, welcome to Avirat Class YouTube channel and I am Chetan sir. We are starting with our second lecture of mathematics. Yesterday we had started the basics of matrices. Now the next topic of it is also from the basic of matrices, but the separate topic, minors and cofactor from matrices. We have to find the minors and cofactor if this is the standard format of matrices. The grid of matrices. If matrix A is such as the position indicates A11, it indicates the position of. Now we have to find the first we will find the minors. Minor M11. Its symbolic representation M11 for first position. For first position A11 position, the minor is M11. For finding the minor of first position, we have to hide the first column and first row, and we will take determinant of remaining part, that is A22, A23, A32 and A33. This determinant will, if it is not visible, we'll make it clear. A22, A23, A32, A33. This is the minor of first position. Similarly for second position, again for second position we'll hide. If we want to find the minor of second position A12, then similarly first row and second column. First row and second column hide. Remaining part will be considered in determinant of minor, that is A21, A23, A31 and A33. This is the minor of first position M11 and for second position M12. Minor is represented like this. For example, in this example we will find minor for first position M11. For first position we will hide first column and first row. Remaining is the -3, 4, 4, 9, and the minor is 9 into 3, -27, -16, -27 and -16. Then it is -43 because both numbers has minus sign. This is the minor of first position. Now for second position, if we select different position, here we select first and second position. Now we are taking second row. In second row, any element is selected randomly. We are taking minor for 2 position, which is the central position. For this position, the minor is, we are hiding second column, second row. Remaining part is taken in minor, that is 1, -5 and -5, 9. The minor is 9 into 1, 9, minus 5 into 5, -5 into -5, plus 25. That's why it is -16. These two are minors of M11 and M22, these positions. Similarly for cofactor is easier than minor. Only cofactor represent C11. For C11 position, we are representing -1 raised to m plus n into M11. For cofactor of first position, we are considering minor of that position. Means for first position cofactor C11 position, we are considering minor of that same location. Only added part is minus 1 raised to m into n, m plus n. What is m plus n? M plus n is m by n. As we understand the position of minor, m is number of rows and n is number of column. So at this location we have number of row, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1 as well. So we can take it as minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 m11. The addition is 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 raised to 2 m11. When the addition of m plus n is even, the cofactor is equal to minor. When addition of m plus n is equal, because the even indices of minus 1 is equal to 1. So C11 equal to M11. We observe that if m plus n is even, then minor equal to cofactor. Minor and cofactor are equal. Similarly, in second formula, C12, cofactor of second position, first row second position, that is minus 1 raised to m plus n into m12. Here m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. So that m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So that minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 m12. Now 1 plus 2, 3. The minus 1 indices is odd. Therefore, minus into m12. When the observation says that if m plus n is odd, then cofactor equal to minus minor, means only the sign is different. For example, we have these two minus, we can find the cofactor of same C11, that is minus 1 raised to m plus n into m11. We have value of m11, that is minus 43, and m is equal to 1 and n is also equal to 1. So m plus n equal to 2, which is even. So in this case, cofactor equal to minor, and we have the value of minor, that is minus 43. So if addition of 1 plus 1 2, this is even, then the cofactor equal to minor. Similarly, for second example, we have second example C22. This location as well, 2 plus 2 4. This number is also even. So cofactor equal to minor, but still we go with the formula minus 1 raised to m plus n and m22. M is equal to 2, n is equal to 2. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 m22. Then C22 minus 1 raised to 4, that is 1. Cofactor of second position is minor of second position. The value of second position minus 16. So it is minus 16. Okay, friend, this is the minor and cofactor. We will start from next lecture the actual chapter of matrices of 12th standard. These all things are basics. This is the second lecture of basic. From next lecture we will start the elementary row transformation operation. Okay, thank you.